In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move ClickUp space to another workspace. If you're reorganizing, collaborating across teams, or setting up a fresh workflow, this process is straightforward and reliable. We'll package your space into a reusable template, share it safely, and then use it in the destination workspace. Start in your ClickUp account and switch to the workspace that currently holds the space you want to move. A space is one of the biggest building blocks in ClickUp. Think of it like a department, client area, or major project hub. So it's worth double-checking you're in the right place before you begin. In the sidebar, open the exact space you want to transfer and make sure it's the correct one, since everything inside will be included. Look for the three dots menu for that space. Depending on your layout, it may appear at the top or toward the right. Click the three dots to open the options menu, then move your cursor to Templates and choose Save as Template. ClickUp will start gathering your space's structure, lists, tasks, subtasks, views, and settings. So if your space is large, give it a moment to process. That delay just means it's capturing all the details. You'll be prompted to name the template. Use a clear, descriptive title so it's easy to recognize later, like Marketing Space 2025 or HR Onboarding Workflow. Next, turn on public sharing. This is crucial. Enabling public sharing generates a link that you can open from another workspace or send to teammates so they can add it to theirs. When you're ready, click Save Template. You should see a confirmation or notification once it's done. From that notification, click Open in Template Center to view your new template. If the prompt doesn't appear, you can still find it in your templates area. Here, you can add a short description to clarify what's included and when to use it. Then click Share. Copy the public link to share broadly, or choose to limit access by selecting specific roles, such as sharing with admins only, if you want tighter control. To move the space into another workspace, sign in to the destination account or switch to the target workspace. Open the shared link and click Use Template. Confirm Use Template again if prompted. ClickUp will recreate the space there with the same structure and settings, so you can pick up right where you left off. And that's it. You've moved a ClickUp space by templating, sharing, and reusing it. No messy exports required. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple, step-by-step guides. Drop any questions or tutorial requests in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time, ciao.